Imagine being trapped in a body that won't move until science invents a bridge between your brain and the world. This isn't science fiction, it's brain-computer interface technology, and it's changing lives right now. Meet Nick Ray, a man living with ALS, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, a condition that gradually paralyzes the body while leaving the mind intact. For years, simple tasks like drinking water or heating food required constant help. But in 2024, everything changed. After receiving an implant the size of a 10-pence coin in his brain, Nick can now control mechanical arms, wheelchairs, and even play a ridiculous trick shot hole with his thoughts alone. Every 40 minutes, someone around the world is diagnosed with this condition, and 80% of patients lose basic mobility within 5 years of diagnosis. The emergence of BCI has opened up new possibilities for them, so how does this mind control actually work? It all boils down to 3 revolutionary steps, no magic, just cutting-edge science. First, capturing the brain's whispers. When you think, grab the cup, millions of neurons in your motor cortex fire electrical signals, faint but detectable. Neuralinks, and one implant approved by the FDA for clinical trials, uses 1,000 tiny electrodes to capture these signals directly from the brain's surface. Unlike clunky headgear non-invasive BCI, this implant gets ultra-precise data critical for accurate control. Step 2, decoding thoughts with AI. The brain's signals are messy like static on a radio. That's where AI comes in. Advanced machine learning algorithms act as neural translators. They filter out noise, identify patterns in the signals, and map them to specific commands. In 2025, researchers at Caltech broke records with an 8.5 milliseconds delay in real-time decoding, faster than the blink of an eye. This means when Nick thinks move left, the mechanical arm reacts almost instantly. Here's the game changer. It's a two-way street. When the mechanical arm touches the cup, sensors send feedback back to the brain. This closed-loop system lets users refine their control, just like how you adjust your grip when holding a fragile glass. For Nick, this meant going from fumbling with objects to stacking 39 cylinders in 5 minutes, a record for stroke rehabilitation tests. This technology didn't happen overnight, and it's not without setbacks. When Nolan Arbaugh, the first human to receive the N1 implant, lost 85% of his electrode wires just months after surgery, many thought the trial would fail. But Neuralink's engineers didn't recall the device, they updated the algorithms. By redefining how the system interprets partial signals, they kept Nolan's mind control abilities intact. It's a perfect example of how AI and medical science work hand in hand to overcome obstacles. The progress is staggering. A decade ago BCI could barely move a cursor. Today, patients like Nick are cooking meals, opening fridges, and even shooting basketballs. And the breakthroughs keep coming. In 2024, researchers published in The Lancet Neurology developed a BCI that turns thoughts into text with a 25% word error rate, but improving fast. For people who can't speak or move, this isn't just technology, it's a voice. BCI isn't just for ALS or spinal cord injury patients. The same technology is being tested to treat severe depression using closed-loop deep brain stimulation that adjusts in real time to brain activity. It's even helping blind people see by converting ultrasonic signals into neural pulses. By 2030, experts predict non-invasive BCI will have 300% better resolution, making this technology accessible to millions more. Across the world, researchers are pushing boundaries. A patient regained the ability to sweat and urinate independently after BCI therapy, signs of neural regeneration, something doctors once thought impossible. These stories prove that BCI isn't just about controlling machines, it's about healing, restoring, and giving people back their autonomy. When we talk about brain-computer interfaces, we're not just talking about technology, we're talking about reclaiming lives. For Nick, it's the ability to drink water without asking for help. For millions of others, it's the promise of independence. The human brain is the most complex machine in the universe, and we're just beginning to unlock its potential. What do you think this technology will achieve next? Drop a comment below and don't forget to follow for more mind-blowing science.